y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I will be showing you how to install some clip-ins. So let's get into it. So obviously right now my hair is straightened out. So I got the clip-ins from Amazon, and I got the 18-inch. I am just going to go ahead and put my hair in a high bun. But I'm just gonna section my hair starting from the back and just install it. The clip-ins, so you're not really doing much. All you're doing is just clipping. So obviously they come in like different sizes as you will put it on your head. This is what this one is looking like, and these are the clips. So this is, you open them like this, and when it's on your hair you just clip it and close it like that. This is the Kinky straight that I got from Amazon. I'm just gonna like brush it out and make it straight. So now I'm just gonna like open them and then put it on my head and install. So now I'm just going to straighten what I just put.
Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Right now I'm making sure that I am not like making big parts but smaller parts, but just because you want to like get all that space. But if you do want to get that full look, you have to, you know, take your time with it. Just, you know, roll with it.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places,
I think I'm liking it so far. I like it so far.
Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
For this, I want to be able to do a side part or do a middle part whenever I want. So I have to kind of finesse the way I put the clip-ins to be able to get what I want. So right now I'm going to like section out some hair in the front to like take out the parts where I want to be able to like do some side part or middle part.
You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
So I'm just gonna put this in a little braid
Once you've seen all the
and
things, all the
just let it
places, I hope it
sit
means that
down
you'll
somewhere.
come home to me.
I won't pay no attention to it right now until I am done with this other part, that section out.
I
I'm just gonna leave that right there. And I'm gonna keep going with what I have left.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
I am obviously almost done, about done. And this is it. This is what it's like and okay, so obviously we are to the point where I section my hair, and I'm just gonna open it to see if I'm gonna add any more clip-ins. I probably won't because I want to close these tracks. So let's see. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'll add any more clip-ins. Because I want to close the tracks. So right now I'm just going to go in with my olive oil sheen spray to give it, you know, some shine.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a no.
And now I'm gonna go in with my edge control.
Once you've seen all the things,
this is the edge control that I will be using.
I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your
And now to hold it down, of course, I'm gonna use my bobby pin.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
This is us. We went from natural to natural, but with some inches, okay? I love it so much, like, so much. Like, it's given what it was supposed to give. It's given natural. Let me know if y'all liked it. Let me know if you were trying it. And like I said, I will put the link to the hair in the description box. Let me know if you guys like this video, if you want to see, you know, more videos like this. Definitely comment, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. You'll love it here. And yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed.